Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Amaya Raine Day. Every third of the month, Dory's Dollies and myself offer a challenge for any Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. We give a theme each month, and this month is yellow. And I have dressed my Amaya Raine in this summer dress with the yellow trim. I made her some yellow shoes. All right, so I have a pattern that I made off of the shoe sole. And this is pleather, I cut it out. But once you cut it out, you draw it on with a pencil and the pencil widens it. Actually, I think I cut this one down, but I always double check it first because it usually hangs over a little bit. And then I use this for the foot, and I'm gonna push this one back the same as the other, but I think I need to pull that up a little further on the arch instead of behind the arch where I've been putting it, and I need to watch my glue. I bet I need more. I have some here. Always make sure that your ribbon is top up. There is an up and a down on ribbon, or a front and a back, or a right and a wrong. Okay. And then I just measure this around. You don't go all the way over, but a good ways. Cut that off. My wrist is not letting my hand work. Okay, cut that off. Sorry, I got my hand in the way. It's the only way I could do it. And then glue this down. And then I'll finish this one the same as I did the other and be right back. When these come off the 3D printer, they have, what do you call it, Darren? Stabilization. What is it called? Supports.
And a little stringing. The TPU is terrible about that.
Yeah, the TPU does, it's just like me with a hot glue gun. There's a piece in the front and then one on each side of the heels. And you pull that off, and then let me finish this one and I'll show you the other one started. I just gooped this all around really good here and here and here and there and everywhere. And then you line this up and push it down real good. I always push the edges at the ribbon very tight. I have this a little too far back, my ribbon a little too far back on the shoe. I need to move that forward, but I won't do it for the other. I need to let that dry just a second. See what I'm saying? Right there, you need to really press down because that goes over the foot. This is flexible. I love that. We have the harder ones too, and I like them, but this flexible stuff really allows for more. And she is ready for today's yellow, and I also pulled back her hair so that the yellow area is showing. I love this little summer dress. It's just an easy dress to make. While Amaya can stand free on these shoes, and I love the shoes, I do use a stand. Darren makes those stands for me, and what do I have? 4 or 5 of these dolls now. The 24-inch Amaya Raines. I really love these dolls. If you are thinking about getting one, you should. And you can always check for used Amaya Raines on eBay. Dory, thank you so much. Another fun month. We hope that you joined us. And if you did, would you please let us know in our comments and in every comment that there is an Amaya Raine Day, that you also have a video so we can all see it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.